Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop Google from automatically analyzing your photos, scanning the faces, objects, locations, and activity. Basically, how you can turn off the new Google applications that analyze your photos without your permission. So this mainly happens inside Google Photos and some of the other Google services that use AI to recognize the faces, places, and memories. So here, first of all, you need to open your Google Play Store or App Store. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for Google Photos. Now, if you see the update icon over here right next to the Google Photos, simply tap on it, and first of all, you need to update your Google Photos application. Now, simply tap on the option of open in order to launch your Google Photos on your phone. Now, once you are inside, you just have to look for your profile icon, which would be most probably on the top right hand corner of the screen. After tapping on the profile icon, simply scroll down and tap on the option of Photos Settings. In the Photos Settings, you just have to look for the option of Preferences. In the Preferences, simply look for the option of Memories. Now, you need to simply turn off the options like People and Pets Memories, Location Based Memories, and your Activity Memories. So this particular step is going to stop Google from auto analyzing your photos to create the smart albums and the suggestions. Now you need to go back and open grouping similar faces. So in this option, you just have to simply turn off the face grouping completely. So this stops Google from scanning the faces and building identity profiles from your images. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.